HAANE Welding Systems is an experienced German provider for project solutions since more than 70 years. We are your supplier from planning phase until production start worldwide. Specialized for projects in the oil and gas industry, we have the know-how for an excellent production process of water, oil or gas pipelines. Pipelines connect the world. HAANE Welding Systems creates double jointing factories on pipeline vessels and onshore turnkey factories. Our expertise helps our customers to produce gas and water turbines, the automated solutions for welding processes, handling and treatment of individual production concepts ensure highest productivity with highest quality. We focus on environmental protection. Collaborating with turnkey factories, we optimize the manufacturing of renewable energies like wind towers on and offshore. The HAANE team delivers modern infrastructure solutions for bridges, foundations, as well as creating mobility with the production of train bodies and much more. HAANE Welding Systems, customized automation solutions.